Hi everyone. These are our lavender plants from 2022 when we pruned them into a beautiful spherical shape. It is January 2023 and we are going to prune this unruly lavender plant into this nice gumdrop sphere shape while showing you all the steps. First, we will prune all the outliers like these ones here. These are just growing way too out and away from the main plant structure. This is already looking better. The next step is to trim a small portion in the middle of the plant. This is the tallest height I want this plant to be once it is all trimmed. And this will act as a guide for me to trim the rest of the plant. I will call it as the first tier. Now my second tier is going to be slightly smaller in height as compared to the first tier, and it will be a ring around the first tier. The third tier will be the outermost one and the smallest in height. I will show you how to even these tiers out, but first I am going to use these three guides to trim this plant. Second and third tiers are like rings around the first tier. This is what the plant looks like after trimming. I left this part to show how we will smooth it out. Where the tiers meet, we will cut it at an angle like this to smooth out the edges of the tiers. This is called blending. This takes the harsh lines out. Just look out for where it is too obvious and do the small trims. We are done here. During spring, this will make a well-rounded globe-shaped plant. Now is also good time to prune fruit trees. We are placing an apple tree pruning video on the screen, so do check it out.